Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install the Fitgirl Sims 4 Repack. First, make sure you have downloaded the Repack from a trusted source. Once the download is complete, locate the folder where the files are saved. Before you start the installation, go to your Windows security settings. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Turn off real-time protection. This step is important. Now go back to the folder where you downloaded the Repack. Find the setup file and double-click to launch it. The installer will open. Follow the instructions shown on the screen. Choose your installation path and make sure you have enough space on your drive. The installation may take some time, depending on your system. Do not close the installer while it is running. Once the installation is finished, you can turn real-time protection back on if you want. This method works well if you follow each step carefully. Turning off real-time protection before installing is the key. Thanks for watching.